instructors of fixed wings program at United Road Air Force Base Zone, and their primary task is training of future Croatian Air Force pilots. Flying in a team is just part-time job for them. Their task is public presentation of skill, discipline, teamwork, and high degree of training quality of Croatian Air Force and Croatian Armed Forces in general. The very first official flight under the name of Krila Oluje, he made in August 2005 in Kosovo formation. By the end of the same year, they added one more plane to the team, and for season 2009, team is flying in 6-ship formation. Ladies and gentlemen, on your right hand side, you can see Krila Oluje in preparation for first maneuver, loop in +6 formation. In this maneuver, they will change formation from +6 to Delta 6 to the top of the loop. 3 feet from each other, with speed of around. After loop, they are proceeding to 45 degrees bank loop, in which they will change formation one more time to Dragon 6. On position number 1, flying as a team leader, is Major Damir Barišić, team member since 2004, with total amount of 1,500 flying hours. On positions number 2 and number 3, flying as left wingman and right wingman, are Captain Bojan Tadić and Captain Siniša Turcika. On position number 4, flying as left pilot and synchro pair leader, is Captain Matija Vrđuka, team member since 2005, with total amount of 1,400 flying hours. On positions number 5 and number 6, flying as second left wingman and second right wingman, after left 45 degrees bank loop that you just saw, front of you, Dia. Just to remind you, rapid between airplanes is just